Hey everybody, this is Miss Mayada with Kemet Nubia Kamp Kitchen. Today we're going to learn how to make Tamya, which is a favorite in Sudan and South Sudan. You may know it as falafels. So in the Middle East they make it as well, and in Egypt they make theirs with fava beans. We like to make ours with chickpeas. So we're going to learn the difference today. In Egypt they also like to put onions in theirs. We do not do that. Onions is more complementary with fava beans, and we have another dish in Sudan as well as Ethiopia that has fava beans. That's why we generally don't put it in our falafels. So let's learn how to make Tamya today. Let's get started. sandwich. It's so good. You can also put the falafels in your salad if you want, or you could just eat it plain. Let me just show you what it looks like on the inside. So this is pretty much it here, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Oh, delicious. Enjoy. You want a more modern invention of the Tamya, the falafel. You could put it between two Hawaiian sweet roll bread, the cucumber sauce, and you have from there basically a falafel slider. It's delicious. Or you could just do it as with the flatbread, the traditional flatbread. But that's how it's eaten generally, with a flatbread. But it's also very good. Believe me, I can't get enough of